What is service management? By definition, set of specialized organizational capabilities that deliver value in the form of a service is known as service management. Every organization is built on assets. No assets, no organization. These assets are divided into two categories, namely resources and capabilities. Resources are hard assets. They are relatively easy to procure. Capabilities are soft assets. They are time consuming and difficult to procure. The 5 resources are financial capital, infrastructure, applications, information, and people. Finance is a mere resource. Great ideas will always find money. Infrastructure and applications are available when you approach the source and pay. In the information age and the availability of Google and Wiki, information is mere resource that is easily available at fingertips. People as headcount is a resource. As I mentioned, capabilities are soft assets. The 5 capabilities are organization, management, process, knowledge, and people. The brand value of an organization and the way it is managed is unique to every organization. These capabilities sets it apart from the other organizations. Knowledge is information with practice, execution, and implementation experience. It can't be sourced simply, but it has to be grown systematically. It is premium. People under capabilities focuses on experience, skill set, and competency. It is all about inside the head. The specialized capability that is being mentioned in the service management definition is none other than process. Hence, as part of the 5 lifecycle stages in ITIL, majorly we focus on the list of processes under each stage. The total number of processes are 26. They are spread into 5 lifecycle stages. The IT service management aims at implementation and management of quality IT services that meet the needs of the business. Thank you.